What is the term of present value of an annuity? The present value of annuity is the amount of dollars today that a stream of equal future payments is worth. In other words, it's the amount of money you would need to invest today in order to equate to the total of the annuity payments adjusted for the time value of money.
Answer for question 1B, it is future value and present value formula. This formula can be used to find periodic payment. For future value, we have R bracket 1 plus I power to n minus 1 divided by I. And for present value, we have R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power to negative n divided by I. R is periodic payment. To find I, it is K divide M. K is percentage and M is frequency. To find N, it is M multiply T. M is frequency and T is time.
Formula to get interest amount: I equal to interest amount, S equal to future amount, R equal periodic payment, N equal M multiply T, and the formula is I equal S minus R in bracket N.
The amount for the first 2 years, we put the information 1 at the formula and the answer will be 67,462 ringgit and 71 cents. And then we put the information 2 to find the S1. So, the final answer for S1 is 73,804 and 92 cents.
Then, formula for the rest of period is S equal to 8,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 to the power of 27 minus by 1 and divide with I, which is 0.04 over 12. Then, the final answer for S2 is 225,625 ringgit and 28 cents. So, to get the amount at the end of the investment plus both of S, and then the answer is 299,430 ringgit and 20 cents. To find the interest amount, which the future value is 299,430 ringgit and 20 cents minus with our periodic payment, which is 8,000 ringgit, and multiply by N, which is 35. The 35 is from both N, 8 plus 27. Then the final answer of interest earned is 19,430 ringgit and 20 cents.
From the question 2.B, time equals to 9 years, frequency of M equals to 6 because every 2 months interest will be compounding. K equals to 2.7% and change to decimal 0.027 for easy calculation. N equals to 54 and the last one is A equals to 84,000. The formula we use is A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. The final answer we got is RM 1,755.68 cents.
For the next step, we use the formula S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. So, the final answer will be 16,088 ringgit 55 cents.
Question 3 asks that to explain briefly on cash discount term, which are 3 over 10 and net over 20. Then, to explain it when the 3% of the net price may be deducted if invoice is paid within 10 days. And the full amount must be paid 20th day. Therefore, this is how do we explain easily about the cash discount terms. Thank you for your attention.
The difference between trade discount and chain discount. Trade discount is provided by the seller at the time of purchase to attract customers and increase sales. The sellers are interested in those customers who are interested in buying bulk quantities. Since it is offered at the time of purchase, it is often implicitly part of the price of the products and is included in the transaction before the billing statement is printed. However, chain discounts, sometimes referred to as series discounts or multiple discounts, are a series of trade discounts applied to the list or catalog price of a product. Based on the question 4A, the info that we get is the list price, which is 35,000 ringgit. The discount rate for XY company is 20%, 10%, and 4%. However, for the AB company is 32%. To find the net price for XY company, we have to use formula net price equal list price and multiply 1 minus D. So we have the list price 35,000 in brackets multiply with 1 minus 0.20, 1 minus 0.10, and 1 minus 0.04. And then finally, we can get the net price for XY company is 24,192 ringgit.
For company AB, we use formula NP equal to LP bracket 1 minus D. LP it is 35,000 ringgit bracket 1 minus 0.32. The answer will be 23,800 ringgit. So now we can see that company AB give greater discount than company SY.
Based on question 4B, the information given is the list price, which is 9,800 ringgit, including the insurance, which is 120 ringgit. For trade discount, we have 5% and 2%. And lastly, cash discount terms of 4/10, 2/15, and N/30. The trade discount will be 0.05 and 0.02, while the list price will be 9,680 ringgit after being deducted from the amount of insurance. In trade discount, we use the formula which is TD equal LP in bracket multiplied by D. Before that, we use the single discount equivalent formula for D, which is 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 0.05 and 1 minus 0.02. So it will be 0.069. After that, we can do the calculations, which is 9,680 ringgit multiplied by 0.069, and the final answer is 667 ringgit and 92 cents. For the net price, we use the formula NP equal LP minus TD, which is 9,680 ringgit minus 667 ringgit and 92 cents, and we will get the net price 9,012 ringgit and 8 cents.
The formula cash discount is C equals to net price multiplied by cash discount rate. Our NP is 9,012 ringgit and 8 cents multiplied by 0.02. The reason we choose 0.02% is because he paid after 10 days. Then the discount will be 2%. And the invoice date is actually start from 18 February 2022 until 1 March 2022. The duration of the day between these two dates are actually 11 days. So the final answer of cash discount is 180 ringgit and 24 cents. So lastly, the total amount that paid on 1 March 2022, which the formula is net payment equals to net price minus by cash discount. So after we get the answer plus with 120 ringgit, and then the final answer is 8,951 ringgit and 84 cents.